Lick your arm right now, and you will taste salt. Your body holds 4 ounces of it, dissolved in your blood, your sweat, and your tears. Salt does more than season your food. Without it, your heart cannot beat, your muscles cannot contract, and your brain cannot send an electrical signal to keep you alive. When your body runs out of salt, your cells swell with water, your nervous system fails, and you die. Yet for most of human history, there were no salt shakers, no grocery stores, and no mines. So how did your ancestors stay alive? Your ancestors survived on raw blood and flesh. They had no need to search for salt rocks because wild animals store sodium in their blood, kidneys, and muscle tissue. When hunter-gatherers killed a bison or a mammoth, eating the raw meat and drinking the blood gave their bodies all the sodium they needed. Then humans started cooking. When you boil meat in water, sodium leaches out of the meat into the liquid. Dumping that broth meant dumping their salt. Human diets also expanded to include roots, seeds, and plants. Plants are packed with potassium but contain little sodium. High potassium levels force the kidneys to flush out sodium. Suddenly, your ancestors faced a biological crisis. Their blood pressure dropped, their muscles cramped, and their bodies craved salt. To find salt, humans watched the animals around them. Herbivores like deer, bison, and mammoths suffered from the same sodium shortage. Hunters noticed herds traveling miles out of their way to lick white crusts on rocks or drink from foul springs. These were salt licks, where mineral deposits seep to the surface. Your ancestors followed these animal tracks to the source, scraping crusts off rocks or drinking mineral water to survive. Far from mineral springs, coastal groups burned kelp and seagrass over open fires. The remaining ash was packed with mineral salts. Soaking that ash in water created a brine for their food. Inland tribes burned salt-rich marsh grasses to get the same result. Along the coast, leaving seawater in rock pools under the sun left salt crystals behind. This discovery saved humans from winter starvation. Without salt, meat rots in days, leaving your tribe to starve when game grows scarce. When your ancestors rubbed meat with salt or soaked fish in brine, the salt pulled moisture out of the tissue. Bacteria could not survive without water. For the first time, a tribe could kill a herd in autumn, salt the meat, and survive until spring without losing anyone to starvation. Today, when you shake salt onto your dinner, your brain releases a hit of pleasure. That pleasure is an ancient survival signal built into your DNA over hundreds of thousands of years. Your brain rewards you for finding the one mineral your body cannot live without, allowing your species to survive.